Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to change your navigation bar or buttons on your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first need to do is click onto your settings. Now from here, scroll down and click onto display. And now on this page, just scroll down to near the bottom of the page here and we got navigation bar. So go ahead and click onto navigation bar. And we've got two options we can change. We can continue to use buttons, in my case, and make it swipe gestures. If we want to keep swipe gestures, tap onto it. You've even got more options under there as well. So if we click into more options, you can change your gesture sensitivity. So if you're using a case, it might be difficult to do the gestures at the edge of the screen. So choosing a higher sensitivity may help your issue. If you sometimes do gestures unintentionally, try a lower sensitivity as well, so you can have a muck around with that. So yeah, keep it. You can change it to swipe gestures or buttons only.